we're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new BMW 7 Series Protective Halo Mini. So this, if we try and select a gear, the vehicle's going nowhere, it's just going straight back into park. We're going to be unable to drive it. So we have a push sequence, receive a flash on the dash, and it will allow us to select a gear and drive away. When we exit the vehicle, system activates, confirm with 2 flashes on the dash, and now it's not going to let you select a gear even though we've got the key. The vehicle's going nowhere. So this also has remote immobilisation. So say you've given a thief the code, they've got the code to the vehicle, they're driving it, they've taken it away, obviously they know the push sequence, the system is disarmed. You can send it a remote immobilisation command. So if we go into our tracking app or on the PC, we go into the vehicle, we can obviously see where it is, but we won't do that. Go to control fuel. This is the same in the app, click cut off, we type in a password, press OK. Command successful. So now we're in the vehicle, we know the code, we try and drive it, the vehicle's going nowhere. When we turn it off, obviously the system activates like normal, and say the thief went to drive your car on, went to put your push sequence in, it's not going to accept it. So we pop that in, we haven't got our flash, vehicle's going to be locked in park. The only way to take it out is you go back into your app or on your PC, back into here, control fuel, recover the vehicle, type in your password, send the command. Once the command's successful, it's going to allow us to put in that code. So as you see, it's still locked. We pop the code in, receive the flash on the dash, and it selects a gear. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Mini with remote immobilisation and tracking.